My name is Jian Wang. I'm a senior scientist and Beamline responsible for the soft X-ray spectral microscopy Beamline at the Canadian Light Source. I have been working on this Beamline since 2009 for about 14 years. My role at this Beamline is supervise the operation and do the management of the Beamline and leading the team to support the scientists, researchers conducting research on this Beamline. This Beamline is called a soft X-ray spectral microscopy Beamline. It's a dedicated, specialized facility for the soft X-ray microscopy and spectroscopy. The major components of the Beamline including elliptical polarization undulator, plane grading monochromator, several focusing optics, and 3 end stations. These 3 end stations include an ambient pressure scanning transmission X-ray microscope, also called ambient Stickson. Another one is a cryogenic temperature scanning transmission X-ray microscope called cryo-Stickson. And we also have called XPIM. The Beamline photon energy covers from about 130 eV to 2700 eV. Recently, we have installed a new monochromator which can extend the Beamline photon energy up to 3005 eV using the multi-layer technology. This Beamline really good for light elements, K edges, and the relevant other edges for 4D, 3D, and 4F elements. So all kinds of research can be done on this Beamline. Recently, we have a soil scientist studied all kinds of soils from North America, even including some permafrost soils from Alaska, in order to understand the carbon sequestration, carbon storage in the soils and its impact on the global warming effect. One of the interesting projects is a group from the US. They studied the air pollution particles. They found the air pollution particles has nanoplastics, which is very harmful to our human being. So this is quite important to us. Over the last 14 years, I have viewed steady growth of the Beamline and Stickson technology. We see the user community fast growing. We see a publication, Beamline performance growing up, improving. Finally, after 15 years operation of the SM Beamline, so our Stickson technology is a world leading. So our spectral microscopy Beamline and the Stickson technology are the world leading facility and internationally recognized reputation. It's really an honor to work with the cutting edge, high profile users to be a real expert and skillful scientist.